How to change your profile picture in Bybit. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're looking for a way to change your profile picture in the Bybit application, then first of all launch open the Bybit app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the main home page, go to the upper left corner and tap on your current profile avatar. Now click on your profile avatar once again, and on the next page, select a different avatar from the available options. You can also choose from the animated and animal avatar from the top if available. Go ahead and choose one of the options you want for your profile avatar and tap on Save at the bottom. So right after you do that, you have changed your profile picture on Bybit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.